Hello children. So our today's exercises is based on sports. Its name is sports drilling. Children, what is the importance of sports in our life? It's very important now. It enhances our energy level, it enhances our immunity power and make our body fit and healthy. Means sports have a very important place in our daily life. Okay. So let's discuss about. Let's move to the exercise. Look at the board now. Number 1. What is considered the fastest stroke in swimming? Swimming is also a sport. So which sport which is considered the fastest stroke in swimming? That is front crawl. Front crawl is considered the fastest stroke in swimming. Number 2. In what city India won an Olympic gold medal? Beijing. In Beijing city, India won an Olympic gold medal. Number 3. Who was the first Indian to be the captain of English country team? He was K.S. Ranjit Singh ji. Was the first Indian to be the captain of English country team. Number 4. Tawfiq Hidayat of Indonesia is associated with which sport? Tawfiq Hidayat of Indonesia is associated with badminton sport. Number 5. In which year was the Arjuna Award instituted? It was instituted in the year 1961. Number 6. Which women tennis player was US Open semi-finalist at the age of 15? She was Martina Hingis. Look the next one. For which sport Michael Schumacher famous for? So Michael Schumacher is famous for Formula 1 motor racing. मोटर कार रेसिंग जो आता है स्पोर्ट, उसके लिए माइकल शूमैकर इज फेमस है. नंबर 8. हु आर कॉल्ड द स्प्रिंगबॉक्स? साउथ अफ्रीकन्स, दे आर नोन एज अ स्प्रिंगबॉक्स. चर्चिल ब्रदर्स स्पोर्ट्स क्लब इज रिलेटेड विद व्हिच स्पोर्ट? फुटबॉल. Number 10. With which sport is Indian Prime Minister's official residence associated? Horse racing. How many lanes are there in an Olympic swimming pool? 8 to 10. मतलब ओलंपिक्स जब होते हैं और उसमें जो स्विमिंग पूल बनाया जाता है या उस स्टेडियम में जो स्विमिंग पूल होता है उसकी लेन्स एटलीस्ट 8 to 10 होनी चाहिए. नंबर 12. Which game is played in 3 varieties? Horse, cycle or elephant? Polo. Look the next one. Which famous sportsman died in a racing accident in 1994? It's Ayrton Senna. He died in a racing accident in the year 1994. Number 14. Who is the first woman jockey of India who later chose to teach in primary school? Who was she? She was Aisha Captain. Number 15. Which number did Maradona, the famous Argentinian football player, wear on his jersey? Jersey means जैकेट. वो जैकेट प्लेयर्स को पहनने के लिए दी जाती थी, तो उस जैकेट पे अर्जेंटीनियन फुटबॉल प्लेयर जो मैराडोना थी, क्या नंबर था? दैट नंबर वाज 10. Which sports basic figure is 8? It's ice skating. Number 17. In what city did Milkha Singh break the world record of 400 meter event? The city was Rome. In Rome city, Milkha Singh break the record of 400 meter event. Now move to the next exercise. Exercise number 22. More sports drilling. Children, this exercise is in optional form, multiple choice. Okay, but I have written only the answers on the board, so you just tick the correct answer in your book. Now look at the first one. Which Indian was the first to captain Oxford University's cricket team? He was Nawab Pataudi. And children, do you know who was Nawab Pataudi? Nawab Pataudi is the father of actor Saif Ali Khan and actress Soha Ali Khan. Okay. Number 2. When was the first national TT? TT is table tennis. When was the first national table tennis championship held? It held in 1938. Number 3. In which event Indian shooter Vijay Kumar won a silver medal in London Olympics? So He won a silver medal in London Olympics in 25-meter rapid fire pistol. Number 4, who was the first batsman to be given out by a third umpire in the international one-day cricket matches? Sachin Tendulkar, a renowned cricketer of the world and the most loving cricketer of the world. Who was the first cricketer to score 4,000 runs and to take 300 wickets in test matches? He was Ian Botham. The 6th one, in which year was the first Formula 1 car race held in India? So it was held in India in the year 2011. Now look the next one. In which year Indian men's hockey team won first Olympic gold medal? The Indian men's hockey team won the first Olympic gold medal in the year 1928. 8th one was the first Indian to win a Grand Slam tennis title. He was Mahesh Bhupati, the renowned tennis player. Number 9, which of the following award is given to the best Indian sportsman? So it is Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, which is given to the best Indian sportsman. So children, today we have completed 2 of the exercises. Exercise number 21 and 22, both are related to the sports. Okay, now do these exercises in your book. That's all for today. We will meet soon in next video with another new exercises. Till then, goodbye.